with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import medias like videos, audio, or images into CapCut PC. So here you can start by opening or start a new project in your CapCut PC and head to the import device, and here you can see there will be this import button, so you can drag the material in here to the timeline directly, or you can also manually add it by clicking on this import button and choose the media's file uh from your library. So for example, I'm going to add these videos right here and also this image. After that, you can select the files and click on open. Now the video is imported into my CapCut PC and also the image. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.